In this video, we will create a bot chat to respond to customer questions. First thing to do is to create a QnA maker. Let's go to the search box and search for QnA maker. Just click on it. Now, to create it, we have first to insert the resource group, which is video tutorials. We have to give a unique name, center SRH chatbot. For the pricing tier, let's select the free one, which is free F0. And for the location, let's choose the nearest one, which is France Central. There is no one in Germany. And let's choose for the pricing the free, which is F3 indexes. The app name and the QnA bot should be the same. The web location France Central, and we don't need app insight for this application. Let's click on review plus create, and then let's click on create. So, we created the QnA service bot. What we need now is a knowledge base. For creating one, we need to go to QnAmaker.ai, which stands for Artificial Intelligence. And this is the website, QnAmaker.ai. First thing to do is to sign in. Okay, you currently have no knowledge base, but we can create one by clicking on create a knowledge base. Here for creating a QnA bot, which we did it on the Azure portal, but we can here on the step 2 refresh, and then we can see the bot that we created. Azure ID keep it default, and here we can select the subscription, and here we can find the bot that we created, and for the language let's choose English. Let's give a name for our knowledge base, Azure knowledge base, and here for inserting, for example, a file for the question and answer, or we can also provide some website. For example, let's provide some website of frequently asked question in the Microsoft web page. Let's use them. This is answers. Okay, the chit chat is for small talk question in a voice, so we don't need it for this tutorial. Now we just click on create your knowledge base. Okay, now we have the frequently asked question on the Microsoft web page, but we can also add question and answers by clicking add QnA pair. For example, SRH address and we can pass here the answers. Okay, we can also add other questions, but let's just test this knowledge base. First thing, we have to save and train. Okay, let's test it. Let's, for example, insert SRH, and it will give us the address of the SRH university. We can also add other questions here, for example, whatever question, for example, email address, something like this, or telephone number, and the knowledge base will give us the answer without having to respond them manually. So that's it, and let's now click on test to close the test and just clicking on publish. Clicking again on publish. And here we just have to create the bot. After we create a web app bot and we just need to make some configuration, for example, pricing, let's choose the free one, and we don't need application inside, and just click on create. Okay, now go to resources. And we can test this SRH chatbot by clicking on test it in web chat. Let's click on apply. And let's, for example, write SRH. It will give us the answer which is related to SRH. Okay, that's it for this tutorial, and thank you.